So this is a video to demonstrate a VirusTotal script which can scan hashes. So this is the code. This is where you would enter your private key. I didn't show mine because you don't publicly disclose it. And this is the rest of the code. Simply you pass arguments to it. The script will run and provide it in an output file. So the way you use it is by this command. You type Python3, the file name. In this case I named it scan3. Type -H for the hash you want to pass, -O for the output file location, and then you specify where it will be located. In this case, this is a hash of a known malware. You run it and it will give you an output. This is the output provided from all the engines, and at the end provides information of the hash total scanned, and it will tell you if it's malicious or not. So we can go see the file which it is within. And the same. All the information is here. It gives you a link if you want to go see it in a web page. And that's about it. If you want to get a hash of an already existing file, you can type md5 sum and the file name. So test.txt, and this is the hash which you pass. This also works with SHA-256. And you'll get the hash again, but MD5 is the preferred one. And that's it for this program.